Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 6, Lesson 38, and today we're untangling one of the trickiest little mix-ups in all of English, good versus well. These two words feel almost the same, but they belong to different word families. One describes things, and the other describes actions. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly which one to reach for, every time. Let's get started. Let's build this from the ground up. An adjective is a word that describes a noun, a person, place, or thing. A tall tree, a happy dog, a bright idea. An adverb, on the other hand, describes a verb, an action word. It tells how something is done. She ran quickly. He spoke softly. Here's the key fact to hold on to for the whole lesson. Good is an adjective, and well is an adverb. Good describes a thing. Well describes an action. Let's meet good first. Because good is an adjective, it always points at a noun. Look, we played a good game. Good is describing the game. Or, the soup tastes good. Here, good comes after the linking verb tastes, but it's still describing the soup, the thing. And that was a good idea. Again, good is telling us about the idea. Whenever good shows up, hunt for the noun it's describing. It'll always be there. Now let's meet well. Because well is an adverb, it always points at a verb, an action. She sings well. Well is telling us how she sings. He did well on the quiz. Well is describing how he did. The team played well. Same thing. Well is describing the playing. Notice the pattern? Every time well appears, there's an action nearby, and well is telling you how that action went. Here's the mistake you hear all the time. I play good. It sounds okay in casual talk, but it's not correct, and here's why. Play is an action, a verb, so it needs an adverb to describe it, not an adjective. The right version is, I play well. Well is the adverb, and it matches the action play perfectly. So whenever you catch yourself saying, I did good at something you did, an action, swap in well. I did well. Now, for one sneaky exception you have to know. Usually, well is an adverb, but there's one special case. When well means healthy, feeling fine in your body, it becomes an adjective. Look at this. I feel well today. Here, well isn't describing an action. It's describing how I am, my health. Or, she looks well after her cold. Again, well means healthy and describes her. So most of the time, well is an adverb, but when it's about health, well is an adjective. That's the one exception to remember. Let's turn all of that into one quick test you can run on any sentence. Ask yourself, is the word describing a noun, a thing? If yes, use good. Is it describing an action, a verb? If yes, use well. Noun means good. Action means well. And keep that one exception in your back pocket. If you're talking about someone's health, well acts like an adjective, just like good. But apart from health, the rule is simple. Thing means good, action means well. Let's lock this in with two quick pairs. First, a good singer versus she sings well. In a good singer, good describes the singer, a noun, so good is right. In she sings well, well describes the singing, an action, so well is right. Same idea, two different words, because one points at a thing and the other points at an action. And the mistake to avoid, she sings good is wrong. She sings well is correct because sings is an action. Hear the difference? Great. Let's practice. Time for our first set of practice. I'll show you a sentence with a blank, and you decide whether it needs good or well. Pause the video and try each one yourself before I reveal the answer. Marcus drew a blank picture of the lake. What fills the blank, good or well? Ask the test question. Is it describing a noun or an action? Here, the word describes picture, which is a noun, a thing. So we need the adjective. The answer is good, a good picture. The choir performed blank at the concert. Good or well? Run the test. What is the word describing? It's describing performed, which is an action, a verb. Actions call for the adverb. So the answer is well. The choir performed well. After some rest, Grandpa feels blank again. Careful, this one's the exception. We're talking about Grandpa's health, whether he feels healthy. Remember, when we mean healthy, well acts like an adjective. So the answer is well. Grandpa feels well. This is that special case where well is the right choice, even though it looks like an adjective spot. On to our second set. This time, I'll give you two versions of a sentence, and you pick the one that uses good or well correctly. Pause and decide before I reveal each answer. Which is correct? My brother cooks good, or my brother cooks well? The word is describing cooks, which is an action. Actions take the adverb well, not good. So the correct sentence is, my brother cooks well. Which is correct? That bakery makes a good muffin or a well muffin? The word is describing muffin, which is a noun, a thing. Nouns take the adjective good, and a well muffin sounds strange anyway, doesn't it? So the correct sentence is, that bakery makes a good muffin. Last one. Which is correct? The runners trained good all week or trained well all week? The word describes trained, an action. Actions take the adverb well. So the correct sentence is, the runners trained well all week. Let's wrap up. Good is an adjective, so it describes a noun, a thing. A good game, a good idea. Well is an adverb, so it describes an action, a verb. She sings well. He did well. And don't forget the one exception. When well means healthy, it acts like an adjective, as in, I feel well. Ask yourself, noun or action, and you'll pick the right word every time. Great work today. I'll see you in the next lesson.